Hey guys, welcome back. So I am bringing you another cleaning video today. I know you guys like it and I've had a lot of cleaning to get done. So today's video is a kind of a Sunday prep, getting ready for the week type of video. It was just one of those days where I needed to clean my kitchen before I could do any cooking. That's the worst. It's not too much cleaning though. Right here I was just finishing loading my dishwasher. So I loaded my dishwasher, did some other stuff, and then I started the meal prep, which wasn't too much. Primarily I just needed to I don't know, prep some lunch stuff for my husband, and I also needed to break up 10 pounds of chicken. So that is what today's video is. This was filmed in two parts. I did most of my cleaning in the early afternoon, and then I did a lot of my meal prep later in the afternoon toward nighttime. So that's what today's video is. I'm gonna let some music play, and I will pop back at the end of this video to let you know what I got done. Also, I did want to let you know that if you enjoy cleaning videos, I'm going to have the playlist to all of my cleaning videos in my description box, so feel free to check that out. I love you forever. Please consider subscribing if you haven't already. I would love to have you part of my little YouTube family, and let's get started.
Voices in my head know me, call me. I will be restless. Somehow they chose me. This is my nightlife. Wanna be high life. I feel so reckless, calling them all night. I'm calling myself, counting up the years. Standing in the doorway, moments before with my hopes and fears. If the whole world stops, will I still stand strong? When the fire burns, the smoke inside my lungs. All we are is the pain we overcome. It's the work that's never done. It's the game that rages on. All we are, it's the dark before the dawn. It's the fight when hope is gone. That's all we are. That's all we are.
Alright guys, so I am done. Unfortunately, I'm kind of put on hold because my dishwasher just finished. Is this focusing? My dishwasher just finished, so it's like too hot to like touch. So I have to wait for me to be able to unload that and then load the rest of the dishwasher and kind of clean up from what I just did. Also, I'm sorry, this is yesterday's makeup, so if I'm looking a little crazy, you know why. But I want to show you like what I have prepped for the week and what we're going to eat throughout the week and just a couple recipes that I'm going to have and stuff like that. So, but like I said, that's pretty much it for the cleaning. I know it really wasn't a lot at all, but like I said, I'm not going to hand wash all these dishes in the sink. So I just kind of have to wait for my dishwasher to be done. So you guys saw me make rice in the microwave right over here. There's broccoli. I just have microwave broccoli. And then this is like primarily what we will eat like throughout the week. So a ton of fruits, avocados. I've really been into mangoes recently, like, or just us as a family. We love sweet potatoes as well, and there's some regular potatoes in here. These are breakfast balls that I made earlier. You watched me make them. They just have to sit, they're still a little hot because of the coconut. They just sit in the fridge just for a little bit, so it makes it easier to like roll them into balls. So that is what I will do off camera. Bananas, I bought Parmesan cheese because I have a good recipe for Parmesan chicken and also Parmesan cauliflower. I don't know what is going on, guys, but I have just been obsessed with fresh cauliflower like this. Like, I don't want it bagged, I don't want it frozen, I don't know why, but I've just been obsessed with this recently. I have carrots, hummus, kiwis. Oh my god, I have so much fruit. We love fruit in this house. This also is like the best cheddar cheese I've ever had in my life. Old Crock. Oh my goodness, this is really good. Blueberries, spinach and kale. I'll talk about that in a minute. Plantain chips are also a favorite, and these are also a favorite. I absolutely love these as like a little snack or like something to put on a waffle in the morning. Dates. I've been obsessed with dates as well recently. Don't ask me why, but they honestly are just like the closest thing to candy that like nature can provide. I'm gonna make pesto chicken this week, and then also I have a fun recipe that I will link in the description box. Everything's gonna be in the description box, but it's quinoa mixed with cannellini. Is that how you pronounce it? Cannellini beans. And you mix them together with like a bunch of other stuff, and you get like little like buffalo kind of like bites. And I'm really trying to like reduce the amount of meat that I eat in this house. So I feel like that would be like an awesome thing for like Meatless Mondays or something like that. So I have a lot more food, but that pretty much like sums it up. Like that's like the majority of what we're gonna eat. And you also saw the 10 pounds of chicken that I just cut up as well. So yeah, so I will like link like some of my favorite recipes, and I'll just like link everything that I'm gonna try to make this week down in my description box. So that's gonna wrap up this video, guys. I feel like I'm not good at these type of videos. Like, I don't normally do like cooking videos or like meal prep videos. So if you like these videos, or like if you want me to see something, like if you want me to do something different, or if you want to like watch me do something different or something, like let me know. Like I said, I don't normally do these. Like I usually just stick to the clean with me's, but I really do want to start like the cook with me's or something like that. I kind of just like don't know what to show or like what to include in the video. So let me know if you want to see that. So I'm gonna wait for this dishwasher. I'm gonna put away my rice. and then I'm gonna have a beer and I'm gonna go edit this video. So I will see you next time, and I love you forever. Thank you so much for like being patient with me. Like, I know the past couple weeks my upload schedule has been crazy, but life is crazy right now, but I'm really trying to like get back on track, and I'm still trying to do 3 videos a week, even if they don't go up on like the days I say that they're gonna go up. But thank you so much for being patient with me. I love you forever, and I will see you next time. Bye guys.